Well, what do you know, living environment fans? We got another week. It's Monday, and we're starting another week of non-stop living environment action. And you know that begins with the Bellringer.
All right. Hey now.
Mr. Kovacs Class. It's Mr. Kovacs Class.
You might learn a ton.
It's Mr. Kovacs Class.
It's interesting too.
It's Mr. Kovacs Class.
And he's super cool.
It's Mr. Kovacs Class.
Love, exciting and new. Come aboard, we're expecting you. The Love Boat, soon we'll be making another. Yes, love. We met the lovers, the lovebirds, the love cells last week. Their names were Connie, an auto. Connie, consumer. Autotroph. And you can tell they're in love because of the little hearts floating above them. That's how you'll know. Someday it'll happen to you. Of course, they got lots of things in common, right? Like, well, this part right here, the control center of the cell, where the DNA is kept, they both have one. Or they both have powerhouses of the cell where ATP is made. They both have packaging. They both have protein manufacturing along this conveyor belt. But alas, they also are different from each other. In fact, there's a number of differences. I mean, look at the size of that vacuole. This giant, it's almost like a swimming pool. Connie's vacuoles are teeny. And then Otto's got this extra layer of protection around his body that Connie doesn't have. She just has a cell membrane. He's got a cell wall and a cell membrane. And of course, some huge differences, these little green chloroplasts. Ooh, they're so cute. Yes, these cute little green chloroplasts allow Otto to be an autotroph. All right, so you need to know the difference between plant-like cells and animal-like cells. Plant-like cells, animal-like cells. You need to know the differences. And then, of course, in the lab we've been doing, you're going to be looking at plant and animal cells. And then you're going to be looking at some unknown cells to see if you can identify which ones are plant and which one are animal. Voila. That's not all the excitement going on. Of course, we're looking at resuming our book talks on Wednesday, right, as we finish up the hot zone. And then, of course, coming up next week on the 17th and 18th of January, the midterm exam. That's a week from tomorrow. Hope you start studying.